Hello and welcome to the course. What we're going to be going over is how to program in C# from beginning and no programming experience whatsoever while making a game. The game we'll be creating is a basic runner style game. I'm going to make mine kind of in the style of an apocalypse car chasing obstacle avoidance type game. However, you can make yours in any style that you want, and I encourage you to be super creative with this. Come up with an idea and a concept for your game. If you want it to be a whale running away from sharks in an ocean, a car running away from a meteorite, if you want to make it a person running away from a million Pokemon that are chasing them, it is up to you. Come up with any idea you want. The concepts will all be the same, and it'll get you started from zero to full, completely published game that you can send to your friends, publish to Xbox or the Microsoft Store if you want. Let's get started by looking at what this game will kind of look like near the end, or at least my concept of the game, and what the play dynamics will look like. And then from there, we'll go on to how to set up your development environment and get started making your game. If you have any questions about any of the things that we go on this, please post your question on the video. There's a comment section underneath each lesson. Post your comment on there and we'll be able to get back to you as quickly as we can, and we'll understand exactly where you are inside this course. Alright, let's take a look at what we're going to make. Alright, so here is a bit of a look at what we're going to be making in this course. This is just one style of game that can get us started with how to make all sorts of other types of games. It holds all of the keys to basically any type of game that you want to make. So let's get started with this. So let's play the fancy version. You can see cool textures. We have dynamic lighting going on. Smash. It has physics. It knows we crashed. Can restart the game automatically. And assuming that I win, level complete. So the game is actually the exact same as this, just it won't have all of those cool textures and all of the car and everything like that. See? It notices that I crash into something and restarts the game. If I don't crash into it, boop, I win and it advances me to the next level, which is the fancy looking one. Notice that it's also tracking my speed. So this is the basics of what we're gonna make. Remember, this looks super fancy, right? But in reality, the game is just this guy. Bunch of blocks, a cube that can move, and tell when it's hit something. Way easier than you think. So let's get started making this game.